Make a rainbow suncatcher with a kit from the library. Your kit contains a keychain ring, fishing line, colored pony beads, and a crystal prism that will refract light. You'll also need scissors. Feel free to design your suncatcher any way you'd like. I want my crystal at the bottom, so I'm threading the fishing line through that first. I pull the fishing line so the crystal is in the middle. Holding both of the fishing line ends together, I add an arrangement of beads. Once I'm satisfied with my bead pattern, I tie the fishing line onto the keychain ring. You'll need to do 2 or 3 knots to be secure. The fishing line is pretty slippery. You can see the crystal prism refracting the artificial light, but try hanging it in a window to catch the sun's rays for the best rainbow refractions.